Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is going to be going over 5 ways that you can make money right from your iPhone. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed. Also, be sure to check out my website, keepingupwithbrittany.com. Go to my website and subscribe. On my website, I do some really cool things. I have words of the month. I have different tips on making mobile money on the go. I have information on how to start your hair business. I have access to my credit repair business. I also have a calendar that shows you what I'm doing that month. So if I'm doing like a workshop, you'll be able to know the details on that workshop, where I am located during the workshop. If you want to see any like virtual trainings that I'm doing, that will be posted as well. My podcast information is there. So just literally everything that I'm doing is on that website. So if you're interested in staying connected, be sure to go to keepingupwithbrittany.com. The link will be down below. So without further ado, if you're interested in this video, give it a big thumbs up again if you did not already, and let's get right into it. So the first thing that I want to go over is edit work. So like flyers and videos, that is a really cool way to make money from your phone. So I'm not even exaggerating. This month alone, I made over $975 from literally just editing flyers. Okay, and the way that I did that is I put myself out there as a business consultant. I put myself out there as a business mentor. And when you put yourself in that arena, in that area, in that niche, people reach out to you and ask you questions all the time. I got someone that reached out to me. They asked me if I could assist with creating flyers, and then they asked if I could assist with editing flyers that they already had, because they wanted some different things added to the flyers. And whoever created their flyers, I don't know if they couldn't get in touch with them or if they didn't want to work with them anymore. I'm not sure. But they wanted some flyers edited. Now, you want to make sure that these flyers are your clients' flyers and you're able to edit them. But if you are, it's a great way to make money. I literally used Canva. Canva is the app that I downloaded on my phone, and I did edits. You can create, or you can establish how many revisions you're going to do per like flyer. So you can have something like a rate of $50 per flyer creation with up to 5 revisions, or you can have $45 flyer edits. Just whatever you want to charge, you can do. But I did quite a bit of flyers, and it did not take too much time at all. I was able to do flyer edits and create different flyers while I was in the car waiting for a train one day, while I was in the car waiting for my kids to come out of school, those long parking lines. I did some flyer work while I was in the bed, all from my iPhone. And the flyers looked amazing. So you can do flyers. You can also edit videos. My son is so great with editing videos. He edits TikTok videos and YouTube videos. I'm actually thinking about hiring him to do some of my YouTube edits. It's just his editing style is a little bit different than my style, but it looks fire. My son is in 8th grade, so he loves like the animations and like the cartoons popping out and the different words on the screen. He's really good at what he does. He grows his TikTok channel and page so fast, but he has people that from his school that will ask him to do different edits, and he started a business doing that. So I'm super proud of him. And he's not the only one. There are other people that do video edits as well. If you go to fiverr.com, you'll see people that do video edits, and you can edit right from your phone. A lot of people use the app. What is the app called? Is it CapCut? I'll put it across the screen if I'm getting it wrong, but CapCut, some people edit with Villo. Some people just use the iMovie app. They don't even download any additional apps. They use the app that come with the iPhone, and they edit videos and they charge for it. I remember when someone reached out to me via email asking if I was interested in having custom thumbnails and if I was interested in video edits. And when I said, hey, I'm interested in hearing, how you can help and seeing your editing style and things like that. When they showed me some of their work and they had the prices by the work, people were literally charging I want to say he was charging like $95 per 10-minute video. So that's another way that you can make money. If you're really good with edits, if you're really good with creating TikTok videos, reels, because I'll let you know this, a lot of people don't know how to do that. I don't know how to create TikTok videos. And it may sound crazy, but I really don't. You know, to be able to edit things like that, and to be able to edit videos, even if someone knows how to do it, it saves so much time. You know, when I really do a vlog and I'm doing intense editing, it takes the fun out of it to me, to be honest, because I don't enjoy editing. I enjoy talking about my content. I enjoy filming. I enjoy interacting with my supporters. But as far as editing, I don't like it. There are some people that truly enjoy editing. So if you enjoy editing, that is a great way that you can make money. And again, you can advertise yourself on Fiverr.com. That's like a freelance website. You can advertise yourself on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I mean, you can create business cards and ask different businesses if you can leave them there. So there's a lot of ways that you can advertise yourself. Another way that you can make money from your iPhone is by proof checking, checking for grammatical and punctuality. You can also create an account and upload that on Fiverr too. But there are people that will pay you to check their work. When I was creating my ebook, before I put it out to the public to sell, I needed to make sure that all my grammatical errors were corrected. So I downloaded an app. I believe the app was called, is it Grammarly? I'll put that across the screen too if I'm getting it wrong, but I downloaded this app, and this app checked for all grammatical errors. And I still went to Fiverr and hired someone to double check my checks, you know, but just letting you know that is the way that you can earn money as well, by checking work. So if you look for people that are bloggers that do a lot of blogging, you may want to slide in their DMs and ask them if they need assistance with editing or who they use for editing. If there are people that do a lot of newsletters for their business or they're advertising newsletters, you can ask them if they need assistance. You know, if there's people that are writing anything, you know, whatever needs to be proof checked, that's another way that you can make money. You can go ahead and proof check everything, and you can send it over to them in a Word document. I have Word downloaded on my phone, and that works really, really good too. One way that you can get paid is through PayPal. I send a lot of PayPal invoices. If you are offering something that's not on your website, that is a great tool to use. I really enjoy using PayPal. PayPal has done me well for years. The next way that you can make money with your iPhone is by selling used items. So like 2 small clothes or 2 small baby clothes. I'm actually going to sell my daughter's swing. It's like a Mamoru swing. It is a Mamoru swing, and she can't fit it anymore. So I'm going to sell that on Marketplace. But looking around and seeing like, what don't you really use? What don't you really need? What are you just hoarding, you know? And looking at ways to get rid of that, you'll be surprised. I remember I posted like some plants. What else did I post? There were, I can't remember exactly now, but I remember I posted on Facebook Marketplace, and those things were gone like that same day. And I was so shocked. I used to post things on eBay, and eBay took a little bit longer than Marketplace. It took about maybe like a week at the most for things to get gone on eBay, but it all depends on like what you're selling, how hot or high in demand it is. How many people are going to eBay at that point and see what you're offering, or Facebook Marketplace. So those are some good things to keep in mind too. And also Poshmark. Poshmark is really cool too. They give you like a label where you can print and just ship your items to your customers without any charge to you. And then you earn your money, and you get to deposit it or transfer it to your bank account. So that is another way to make money. Another way to make money is drop ship untraditionally. So if you've been following this channel, you know that I offer drop shipping services for hair. If you're looking to start a hair business through drop shipping, go to my website, badchickhair.com, click on drop shipping, and all the information is there. I'd love to work with you. But there's other ways that you can drop ship untraditionally, meaning that you don't have to necessarily go through a drop ship company to drop ship. So let's say that you find clothes that you really enjoy and you want to resell clothes. You can order some clothes, like order one outfit, take pictures of them, market them, and then you can do like a order as you go type of system. So if someone decides that they want an outfit that you've worn, you can go ahead and collect their money for it, order it, and keep the profit. Now, the only thing, and I talk about this for my hair customers as well, the only thing with doing that is you don't really have like an established agreement with that company that you're going to be reselling their items. Not saying that you necessarily need to, but in the event that they go out of business, or in the event that they have some kind of like copyright or some type of like patent where you need their consent, you want to make sure that you're thinking about that ahead of time. Like make sure that it's legal, number one, and then also make sure that it's a reputable company where you're not collecting money and then the business isn't sending out the items or they go out of business. You know what I mean? Like you don't want to look janky. You want to make sure that you're doing everything legit and you're doing everything efficient, because you don't want your name tarnished behind earning money, So drop ship untraditionally. You can pretty much drop ship anything. It's just literally reselling items. If I want to drop ship socks and I'm ordering socks from a company and reselling them at a higher price, you know what I mean? Like as long as it's legal, that is another good way to earn money. The last way to earn money from your iPhone is through monetized content. So monetizing your YouTube channel, monetizing your TikTok, monetizing your Facebook, whatever you're doing, figuring out a way to monetize it, figuring out the criteria and what you need to do to get paid for it. If you're going to be on Facebook all day, you might as well get paid for it. If you enjoy sharing information and sharing tips and hacks, you might as well get paid for it. If you are on TikTok all day, why not create content and get paid for it? You know what I mean? Like if you're doing something all day, I'm sure there's a way that you can earn money. And the way is through monetized content a lot of the time. So check into that, see what the qualifications are, and work toward meeting those thresholds. That way you can make money from your phone too, wherever you are. If you want to be, let's say you want to vlog, you can upload a vlog from YouTube and get paid that way. Let's say you want to go live on Facebook, you can do that and get paid. You know what I mean? Like just look at their monetization requirements and see how you can get monetized and earn more income. So I hope this video helped go over 5 ways on how to generate money right from your iPhone. If you're interested in any of these ways and have questions, or if you have like any testimonials that can help anyone else watching this video, be sure to leave them down below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.